Welcome to this comprehensive guide on PDF editors and management software. In this video, we'll explore the best professional tools available for editing, converting, and managing PDF documents efficiently. Whether you're a student, professional, or business owner, you'll find the perfect solution for your PDF needs. PDF tools fall into three main categories. First, PDF editors allow you to edit text, images, and add annotations directly within PDF files. Second, converters help you transform PDFs into other formats like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and convert other formats back into PDF. Third, management tools help you organize, merge, split, and manage your PDF files efficiently. Adobe Acrobat Pro is the industry standard for PDF editing. It offers advanced editing capabilities where you can modify text, images, and add watermarks with precision. You can convert PDFs to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint formats seamlessly. It includes comprehensive security features like password protection, encryption, and redaction tools. Acrobat Pro also integrates perfectly with Adobe Creative Cloud, making it ideal for designers and professionals. The subscription costs $180 per year, or $15 per month. PDFtk Pro is a powerful PDF manipulation tool designed for batch processing. It excels at handling multiple PDFs simultaneously through automation. You can easily merge, split, rotate, and reorder pages. PDFtk Pro features automatic form filling capabilities, making it perfect for managing interactive PDF forms at scale. It's developer-friendly with a command line interface, ideal for advanced users who need to automate workflows. The cost is just $99 as a one-time purchase, and a free version is available for basic tasks. Nitro PDF Pro is a comprehensive solution that emphasizes cloud collaboration. You can share and collaborate on PDFs in real time with your team members, making it perfect for businesses. Document conversion is seamless, supporting multiple format conversions in both directions. It includes advanced editing tools for text, images, and annotations. Enterprise-level security features like encryption and permission management protect sensitive documents. Pricing starts at $99 per year, with premium plans available for larger organizations. iLovePDF is a browser-based solution that requires no installation. You can access it from any device with an internet connection. The free version is exceptionally generous, offering 20 or more PDF tools at no cost. The platform provides an all-in-one suite where you can merge, split, compress, and convert PDFs, plus edit them. Privacy is a priority here, as files are deleted after processing, and all data is protected with secure socket layer encryption. The free version is fully functional, or you can upgrade to premium for just $4 per month or $48 per year. Foxit PDF Editor is a lightweight alternative to Adobe Acrobat that won't slow down your computer. It performs exceptionally fast with quick loading times. The pricing is very budget-friendly, offering both a one-time perpetual license for $129 and a subscription option at $7.99 per month. You get complete editing capabilities for text, images, annotations, and form fields. It supports converting between PDF and Office formats efficiently, making it versatile for various workflows. Smallpdf is an online PDF tool designed with simplicity in mind. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, perfect for both beginners and professionals. Since it's browser-based, no software installation is needed, and you can access it from any device. The comprehensive toolset includes compression, merging, splitting, conversion, and signing capabilities. Processing is fast and reliable, especially for batch operations. A free tier is available for basic needs, or upgrade to Pro for just $6 per month or $60 per year. PDF-XChange Editor is feature-rich and specializes in advanced annotation and markup tools. It offers stamps, comments, and highlighting capabilities for comprehensive document review. You can sign PDFs with certificate-based security for legally binding digital signatures. The editor allows direct text editing, image replacement, and layout modification without converting to other formats. Pricing is very cost-effective with a free version available, or purchase a Pro license for just $49.95 as a one-time investment. Choosing the right PDF tool depends on your specific needs. For budget-friendly options, consider iLovePDF with its excellent free tier, Smallpdf for affordable pricing, or PDF-XChange for its free version availability. For professional and enterprise use, Adobe Acrobat Pro is the industry standard. Nitro PDF offers cloud collaboration, and Foxit PDF provides feature-rich alternatives. If you need batch processing and automation, PDFtk Pro is developer-friendly, Foxit PDF supports batch operations, and PDF-XChange has powerful scripting. For cloud-based work, Adobe Acrobat provides cloud integration, Nitro PDF enables team collaboration, and iLovePDF is accessible from any browser. Remember 3 important points. First, choose your PDF tool based on your specific workflow requirements and budget constraints. Different tools serve different purposes. Second, budget-friendly options exist for basic tasks, while paid options unlock advanced features for power users. Third, most tools offer free trials or freemium versions, so you can test the functionality before committing financially. The best PDF tool is the one that fits your unique workflow, aligns with your budget, and provides the features you actually need. Start with free options and upgrade when necessary.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.